RAF Langham, Royal Air Force Langham, or more simply RAF Langham, is a former Royal Air Force station located at Langham, 27.2 miles 43.8 km northwest of Norwich in the English county of Norfolk. It operated between 1940 and 1961. The airfield was the most northerly of the wartime RAF airfields in Norfolk, and its position, just 3.3 miles 5.3 km from the North Sea at Blakeney, made it a suitable site for RAF Coastal Command aircraft. The airfield was built during the first few months of the Second World War as a dispersal and satellite station to RAF Bircham Newton. It became operational in the summer of 1940. History. The airfield was originally laid out with 3 grass runways. The station became fully self-supporting in 1942, when it was upgraded with 3 concrete runways, tar-covered, 3 T2 type, and 4 blister hangars, an encircling perimeter track, and 36 spectacle-shape hard standings, plus a Type 12,779/40, 1 control tower, and normal encasement. Primarily used by RAF Coastal Command throughout the war, it was placed on care and maintenance in 1947, but reactivated during the Korean War. It was later used as an emergency landing strip for RAF Sculthorpe, before final closure in 1961. Based units. The following units were based at Langham. Notable operations and events. On 2 October 1944, 6 Bristol Bullfighter of Coastal Command took off from Langham to carry out a night patrol along the Frisian Islands off the coast of the Netherlands. Their task was to randomly attack any enemy shipping encountered there. One of the aircraft, NT-909, was piloted by New Zealander Warrant Officer Douglas Mann with English navigator. Close to the island of Borkum, the plane attacked a convoy, but in poor visibility struck an unknown obstacle, causing Mann to lose control. The convoy's escort opened fire on the stricken plane, shooting it down, and, after some difficulty, Mann and Kennedy took to their rescue dinghy. After several abortive rescue attempts, the airmen were finally rescued by high-speed Launch 2679, stationed at Gorleston-on-Sea on 10 October after being in the sea for 8 days. Both men suffered from acute hypothermia and immersion foot. They were taken to Great Yarmouth Naval Hospital, eventually making a full recovery. Mann returned to 489 Squadron and was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross. Current use. The station was purchased by Bernard Matthews Limited, who constructed turkey sheds on the runways. This has preserved large sections of the runways. A small aircraft repair and maintenance facility is based in buildings to the south side of the airfield and uses the southern perimeter track and adjacent grass area for flying operations. Surviving buildings on the site include the control tower and a dome trainer building used for the instruction of ground-to-air anti-aircraft gunnery. Langham Dome, which sits on the edge of the former base, is one of only 6 remaining training domes in the United Kingdom and was built in 1942. Film of enemy planes was projected onto its walls for target practice. The structure has been restored and a museum installed following grants from English Heritage and the Heritage Lottery Fund. On 17 May 2015, a documentary about the dome, entitled The Dome, A Secret of World War II, narrated by Stephen Fry, was broadcast by BBC One.